and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng stuffed bell pepper. And here are the following ingredients.
Ang ating first step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa natin itong sibuyas. At isasama ko na rin yung 1 piece ng kamatis. At igigisa natin to hanggang sa lumambot yung ating sibuyas at kamatis. Ready na yung ating sibuyas at kamatis. Pwede na natin i-add yung 2 to 3 cloves ng garlic. At continue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa lumabas ang aroma ng ating garlic. And ready na yung ating sibuyas at kamatis. Pwede na natin i-add itong ating ground pork. Pwede kayong gumamit na ground beef or ground chicken. So durugin lang natin yung ating giniling na baboy para hindi siya buo-buo. Then, continue lang natin ang paggisa for about 10 minutes or hanggang sa mag-brown lang yung ating meat. Ready na yung ating pork. Pwede na natin i-add yung 1 teaspoon ng ground cumin, half a teaspoon ng chili powder, 1 teaspoon ng paprika, salt to taste, yung ating ground oregano, and pepper to taste. Then, haluin lang natin to at continue natin ang paggisa for another 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, pwede na rin kayo mag-preheat ng oven sa 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Luto na yung ating giniling, pwede na nating i-turn off yung heat. At isasama na natin yung half portion ng ating grated cheese. Then hahaluin lang natin to and we will set this aside. Ito na yung ating bell pepper, tinanggal lang natin yung seed. Hinati ko to lengthwise and crosswise. Mag-drizzle lang tayo ng a bit of oil sa loob ng ating bell pepper. By the way, thanks to my son Adrian for cooking in this video. And then pwede na natin scoop yung ating meat. Ilalagay natin doon sa loob ng bell pepper. And lastly, we can top it up with the grated cheddar cheese. Mas maraming cheese, mas masarap. This one is ready for baking. Ibe-bake natin to for 30 minutes in our preheated oven. Ayan, after 30 minutes, pwede na natin i-transfer dito sa ating serving plate. And there you have it, our quick and easy stuffed bell pepper with cheese. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng new recipes. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.